crosses into your mind when you think of a scout scarf? Is it just a simple piece of cloth? Or perhaps a symbol rich with meaning? What if I told you I see unity in its colors and folds? It is tied with pride, tradition, and abundance of beautiful memories. It whispers stories of teamwork, courage, and loyalty. So, would a single scarf truly carry 1,000 stories? The scout scarf may look simple, but it carries deep meaning. Here's how it unites communities in Sarawak. All scouts wear the same scarf, no matter their race or background. This helps everyone feel part of one team. Through scout activities, members learn how to understand and respect each other's cultures, languages, and tradition. The scarf shows their promise to live in peace. Scouting encourages teamwork. When scouts from different races in Sarawak work hand in hand, the scarf becomes a symbol of unity. In scouting, sharing cultures is important. The scarf is worn during events that include all ethnic groups, showing pride in diversity. The scout scarf is more than just a uniform. It connects different cultures into one united community.
Hi, happy World Scout Day!